Hey y'all, Marialaniece here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am bringing you this glowy skin, fresh faced 10-minute makeup look. You guys asked for it, so hey, I brought it to you. I, as y'all know, am not a girl who likes to just do a quick, fast, and easy 10-minute makeup look. I like to be chiseled, brightened, and snatched, okay? But since I know a lot of you don't have a lot of time to do your makeup or just don't want to spend a lot of time doing your makeup, then you know, this video, this is for you, boo. This is all for you. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure you subscribe and then continue to watch. For brows today, I'm going to be using my Milani Easy Brow Automatic Pencil and my Amuse Cosmetics Pencil. This one, I do like the color of this one, but I like them mixed together. I don't know. I just like them mixed together, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this done in about 10 minutes. Maybe 12, but I'm aiming for 10. So brows usually take me a minute, that's why I said maybe 12, you know. But with pencil, I should be good. We should be able to get this baby done. Y'all, this mirror is freaking filthy. I don't know how I'm using it right now. Oh, y'all can't see. So we're just gonna fill in my brows lightly. It's not going to be, you know, anything like snatched, super snatched, you know. They're just gonna be nice and refreshing. That's the kind of brow we're going for. Nice and refreshing. Oh, what is that underneath my eye? Did I say that? I don't know what that black string was, but we not here for it. Be gone. Okay. That took up about 30 minutes. Just kidding. I use foundation for a 10-minute makeup look. So, yeah, we're going to use foundation. This is going to be oily skin girl friendly. Early girl skin friendly. Whatever, it's going to be good for oily skin. So, I am going to take my Maybelline Matte and Poreless and my Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm just going to mix them together real quick. But you know, if you don't like foundation, or you know, you like a BB cream or whatever, use whatever kind of face product you like. You might just want to spot conceal. That's fine. But me being me, I'm going to, you know, I am going to do this. And because I like coverage, we can still do coverage in 10 minutes. So we don't have a lot of time left. So we're going to move quickly. And I really like the color this gives me too. Like, this looks really good. And we got coverage, you feel me? So. Alright. Well, it's been 8 minutes before I had me, so. And we're going for like a a glowy look, but we're not doing like any like real contouring. We're not doing eyeshadow. I am going to do lashes. But that's just me, but we can still get them done. We can still get the lashes done in 10 minutes. You just gotta multitask. That was one of my tips, you feel me? So that's what we're going to do. Under the eye, we're not doing, like I said, we're not doing any like real highlighting or anything. We're just gonna cover up my little baby dark circles. So just gonna use, this is my ColourPop in the shade Dark 42. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin or whatever, just right on top of that. This is in the shade Medium Deep 50. And then we're just gonna, I'm going to take a brush instead of my beauty blender and just pat that in. Boom, right? And we're just gonna set the under eye. No baking, we're just gonna lightly set it. Just because we still don't want it to crease, you know? Just use whatever, just use whatever baking powder that you use. This was like a concoction that I made of like 3 different powders, which I wish I could remember when I did because it's freaking bomb. I did it a long time ago and I just found it. So, and then we're just gonna set the rest of the face real quick with my MAC Studio Fix. Yeah, Studio Fix. This is NC45. Is do our glow, and that's it. You feel me? Like glow and mascara. Sorry. All right. So, and I said lashes too. So while I'm putting my mascara on, I am going to let my lash glue sit. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the lash glue. Use a lash glue that will set down quickly. You know, you have to let your lash glue dry down for a few seconds, but get a glue that dries quickly if you want to do lashes. I mean, if you don't want to do lashes, skip this and go right on to the part that we're about to do right now. As soon as I put this on, like it only takes me a few seconds to just pop the glue on, because you don't want to use like a really thick layer of glue either. So boom, we're gonna let that sit for a few seconds. And while we're doing that, we're going to pop on mascara. I am using my Maybelline Big Shot Colossal. We're not doing any liner. So if you want me to do a tutorial on how I do my lashes without liner and still make them look good, let me know. I mean, it would be like a little 5-minute video, but still, I can do that for you. Because like I said, I'm not doing any liner whatsoever with these. So mascara on, boom, bang bang boom, and then 2 seconds and we're done. So yeah, this took me like 12 minutes to do. Y'all can spare 2 minutes. Shoot. Again. I can like literally. Now, glow and done. Okay, so we're gonna take my Maybelline, this is L'Oreal. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Glotion. So sorry. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Glotion like I did in one of my last videos. Pop this on the place that I want to highlight. Just so, you know, we can have a nice little glow. See, it gives us like a nice little natural looking glow. And then we are going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome, and the brush that I'm going to use for this is my Morphe M403, because it blends it out nicely to give us more of a natural kind of glow, so it doesn't look, you know, like we just out here looking crazy. And then we're gonna go down the nose. See, look, I'm not even snatching my nose today, and Lord knows this is against my religion. And boom, we're done. Let me just spray and then we're done. You can pop on a gloss or something if you want. I don't have any gloss sitting right here. Oh yes I do. Had a headband right in here, Lord. So I'm just gonna pop on a gloss. A clear gloss, and we done. See how quick that was? That was real quick, real simple, real easy, because we done. We looking glowy, we looking cute, we can conquer our day, we can meet whomever, you know. We done. So just gonna go ahead and close out this video and just put my earrings on. Now, I swear I look like a boy without earrings. It's crazy. Like, I hate not wearing earrings. Like, absolutely hate it. Alright, and this is the finished look. It was really quick, really easy, really simple. I hope you guys like it. Like I said in my video, let me know if you want me to do like a short tutorial on how I apply my lashes without using any liner and still make them, you know, look good. Just saying, just, you know, let me know. So yeah, I'm done, but you can't leave. You can sit here and, not you can, you should. I mean, since you're already here, you know, you might as well just stay around and watch one of my other videos that I have. I put one here, don't know which video it is, but regardless of what video it is, blah, 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 blah. But regardless of which video it is, just go ahead and watch it. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.